Hello students. Last lecture we have seen trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Trapezoidal rule is integration y dx x naught to xn equal to h upon 2 y naught plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus and so on up to yn minus 1. Simpson's 1/3 rule is integration x naught to xn y dx equal to h upon 3 y naught plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus and so on plus yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus and so on plus yn minus 2. And Simpson's 3/8 rule is integration x naught to xn y dx equal to 3h upon 8 y naught plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus and so on plus yn minus 2 plus yn minus 1 plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus y9 plus and so on plus yn minus 3. Next, examples. Evaluate integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square using first trapezoidal rule, second Simpson's 1/3 rule and third Simpson's 3/8 rule. Here y is dx upon 1 plus x square, x naught equal to 0 and xn equal to 6. H is or equal to a equal to b minus a upon n. Here if we take n equal to 6, then b minus a means 6 minus 0 upon 6 equal to 1. So interval of differencing is 1. Here x and y. First value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because here given that integration 0 to 6 and h equal to 1. So 0 to 6 and interval of differencing is 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now put value of x in y. We get value of y. Not dx 1 upon 1 plus x square. Put x equal to 0, we get y equal to 1 upon 1 means 1. Put x equal to 1, 1 upon 1 plus 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 means 0.5. Similarly put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 0.2, 0.1, 0.0588, 0.0385 and next 0.0270. Now first by trapezoidal rule we have integration 0 to 6 y dx equal to h upon 2 y naught plus yn, y naught plus yn. Here y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. y6 means y naught plus y6 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Now put values of y and h. H is 1, 1 upon 2 into y naught is 1 plus y6 is 0.0270 plus 2 into y1 is 0.5 plus y2, y3, y4, y5 are 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.5, 0. Here double 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0.0588 plus 0.0385. After simplification, we get 1.4108. So integration 0 to 6 y dx by trapezoidal rule we get 1.4108. Now by Simpson's 1/3 rule, by Simpson's 1/3 rule, integration 0 to 6 y dx equal to h upon 3 y0 plus y6 plus 4 into odd term y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into even terms y2 plus y4 equal to h is 1 upon 3, y0 is 1 plus y6 is 0.0270 plus 4 into 0.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.0385 plus 2 into 0.2 plus 0.0588. After simplification we get 1.3662. In Simpson's 1/3 rule, here h upon 3 y0 plus yn. Here in example n is 6, so y0 plus y6 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 up to yn minus 1. y6 minus 1 is y5. So here we take y1 plus y3 plus y5. Now plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus and so on up to yn minus 2. n is 6. So y6 minus 2 is y4. So here we take 2 into y2 plus y4. Now third, by Simpson's 3/8 rule, 1/3/8 rule, integration 0 to 6 y dx equal to 3h upon 8 into y0 plus y6 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 into y3. Here in Simpson's 3/8 rule, n is 6, so y0 plus y6 plus 3 into y1 plus y2 up to yn minus 2 plus yn minus 1. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 1 means y4 plus y5. Now 2 into y3 plus y6 up to yn minus 3. n is 6, 6 minus 3 is y3. So 2 into y3. Now put value of h and value of y, means 3 into 1 upon 8 into 1 plus 0.0270 plus 3 into 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.0588 plus 0.0385 plus 2 into 0.1. After simplification we get 1.3734. Next example. Calculate the value of the integration 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx using first trapezoidal rule, second Simpson's 1/3 rule, third Simpson's 3/8 rule. Taking h equal to 0.2, retaining the numerical values to 7 decimals, compare the results with exact values. Now first prepare table x and y. Here value of x start from 4 and ending 5.2. So 4 and interval of differencing is 0.2. So 4, 4.2, next 4.4, 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2 up to 5.2. Now calculate the value of y in calc. Put x equal to 4. In this we get log 4 to the base e is 1.3862944 because given is retaining the numerical values to 7 decimals. Next, log of 4.2 to the base e is 1.4350845. Next, log of 4.4 to the base e is 1.4816045. Similarly, for 4.6, 4.8, 5, 5.2. 1.5260563, 1.5686159, 1.6094379, 1.6486586. Now, by trapezoidal rule, integration 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx equal to h upon 2 y0 plus y6 because here y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. After putting value of h, y0, y6, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and simplification, we get 1.8276551. Similarly, second Simpson's 1/3 rule and by Simpson's 3/8 rule. This is your exercise to calculate value of integration 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx using Simpson's 1/3 rule and Simpson's 3/8 rule. By Simpson's 1/3 rule, we get integration 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx equal to 1.8278472, and by Simpson's 3/8 rule we get equal to 1.8278470. Here third chapter is completed. Here we stop.